If you're someone who is an early adopter and who loves having the latest tech, and you want a vacuum that can handle both dry and wet messes without constant maintenance, and you can even forget to change the vacuum water, then the 3i S10 Ultra is definitely worth checking out. Now, I have covered many different robot vacuum cleaners on this channel, and each company is always trying to find that different thing that makes it stand out. You know, back in the day, they used to just bump against the wall and kind of clean, and now we have these crazy navigation systems that can see your house and map it out and all those things, but now that's pretty standard. And I do think the S10 Ultra is the next evolution in robot vacuum cleaning because it does something that no other vacuum cleaner does. And we'll talk about that later in this video. A big thanks to 3i for sponsoring this content and sending this my way to check it out. But this does not affect the opinions of how I feel about this product and also my true experience using it within my house. 3i is a brand pioneering the innovation of smart home technology. Today, we're checking out the 3i S10 Ultra floor washing robot vacuum. Yes, that is definitely a mouthful, but this robot vacuum does a lot. Let's break down what makes the S10 Ultra robot vacuum so mind-blowing and why it says it does stuff that other companies don't do. As you can see, the S10 Ultra has the basics of a robot vacuum. While on the surface, it may look like a regular basin robot, definitely not. The S10 Ultra's water recycle system is the world's first in a robot vacuum. Let me explain how this works. Now, this is real innovation here. It basically recycles the water without you having to do much of the legwork. While the S10 Ultra cleans, it purifies and recycles the water by separating the wastewater into dry and wet components. It collects the solid waste in a dry dust bag and then keeps on using the purified water. The dust bag is 2.5 liters and can hold about 60 days worth of dirt. It uses sub-boiling distillation technology to separate with heating to make this happen. So what it's actually doing is the water that's already in there, when you're done mopping, that water is no longer dirty. It uses all this technology to clean the water, and it separates the dirt from the clean, and you don't have to dump out the dirty water like you do on other mopping robots. It makes its own water with a dehumidifier from the moisture out of the air. I know it sounds pretty crazy as I haven't put water in this since the very first day, but it's actually true. So yeah, it's an endless water supply. You don't have to use water and it's like no maintenance. This way you can have clean water without manually replacing it. And you don't necessarily have to put the base of the S10 Ultra close to a drain. Not only does it save you time when dealing with nasty water, but it's eco-friendly since you're not adding water. It just grabs it from the air. And I'm all about technology that helps us to be more sustainable. Now let's talk about that mopping action. The S10 Ultra comes equipped with an Ultra Reach roller mop. And let me tell you, this thing is absolutely no joke. The mop not only cleans your floors thoroughly, but it's self-cleaning also. The roller mop has 12 spray holes, so the clean water can flow and reach the designated areas easily. It has a scraper that keeps gunk from getting stuck on the roller mop, so there's no residue buildup at all. It's designed to get into those hard to reach edges and corners that other robot vacuum cleaners cannot get into. So you don't have those annoying missed spots or smudges left behind. This roller spins at 330 RPM, making sure every inch of the floor gets a deep clean. The vacuum was slowed down a bit when it comes to cleaning up a liquid spill. It would turn off the vacuum motor and slowly clean up the mess. Once it completely absorbs the mess, it goes back to its regular speed to make sure the area is cleaned thoroughly. If it's a stubborn mess, the S10 Ultra will increase the speed of the roller mop and use more water in the targeted area to attack the mess as needed. It's not just aimlessly dumping water on the floor, but if it finds those messes, then it will use the proper amount of water and clean it up. As you can tell, there's a lot of technology built into it and it's doing all this stuff automatically, which is really cool to see. The S10 Ultra vacuum is all about advanced cleaning technology, but we also have some of the basic things that vacuums do, like cleaning dirt and dust. This vacuum has something called dirt scan cleaning technology to help clean. And yep, you guessed it, time for the magical buzzword. It's using the power of advanced AI to not only detect, but also directly target the dirty areas on the floor. The precise cleaning with the green light can identify up to 68 types of dirt thanks to AI-powered learning. And that's the green light that you're seeing right here. So even though the S10 Ultra maps out your home, it doesn't just roll around and bump into things and kind of do that. And with 12 meters of detection range and 3 layers of optical avoidance, the vacuum won't get tangled up and it can switch rooms easily because you can see it going over these stills and actually going into carpet and coming back. And it's not getting stuck on normal transitions. It does a great job at navigating around. It skips my son's toys and shoes, and it doesn't bump into the chair leg. It actually goes around it very well, cleaning as close as possible to it. The base station is, of course, where it goes back to charge and do the water recycling, as we talked about earlier, but it's also where it does its cleaning to prevent hair tangling. During the cleaning, the robot reverses the main brush it uses when on the floor, and it activates the detangling comb while increasing the suction. The hair is removed from the main brush and is moved to the dustbin. You'll hear the vacuum do that as it's docked on the base station. It's louder than some vacuums, but it's necessary, especially if you have a lot of pet hair or people with long hair, like I do in my family. The S10 base station is a tower. The cleaning solution goes on the left side, and there's a button that makes the door pop up. The all-in-one station has a top lid that gives you access to the water tank. When you open the water tank, the carbon fiber cleaning rod goes on the left side. So let's talk about the app for the vac. Of course, it has an app. The S10 Ultra will map out your home and will render a 3D map of the rooms. Now with this app, you can schedule cleaning in any way you like. By frequency, how many times a week, by type, meaning what type of cleaning, is it vac and mop or just vac only? You can also use the app to see the data of the cleaning that the vacuum has done. For me personally, I have it set up every single night after dinner to go around the dinner table to pick up all the crumbs. And it's really nice that I don't have to think about it. I just set it in the schedule, and then when dinner time is over, it comes out, cleans up, and goes right back to the base station. You can also use it to change settings of the base station, like turning off the station light and water production. And yes, it works with your voice assistants like the Amazon and the Google one for voice command. So you just tell it to clean. So for me, as an early adopter, I love having the latest and greatest tech. And I also want to automate some of the maintenance and some of the cleaning stuff that I don't have to do anymore. The 3i S10 Ultra is definitely the next level when it comes to cleaning your house. And it does so much more than just clean. It's a dehumidifier as well. And it's really low maintenance. You're not dumping the nasty water out. You're not adding water. It just does its thing. It's the closest to set it and forget it when it comes to a robot vacuum cleaner. And that right there is big. So if you want to check it out, hit the links down below and pick yourself up one. Kevin the Tech Ninja, take care.